Mr. Vice President, may I address you? To the Honourable Minister of Finance. Having regard to the $10,000 limit imposed by banks in the redemption of $100 notes and the impact this would have on Muslim citizens seeking to redeem large sums of $100 bills, what arrangements are being made to facilitate this community?
Minister of Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. Mr. Vice President, the amendments to the Central Bank Act, the insertion of the new Section 27A, provide for
27A or 27?
27A, the new 27A. The insertion of the new 27A in the Central Bank Act makes provision for the redemption of notes. The banks have know your customer arrangements in place. They have had know your customer arrangements in place for years as a result of the enactment of the Financial Intelligence Unit Act way back in 2009, and it was then amended in 2010, 2011, and so on, as the prominence of the Financial Action Task Force and the anti-money laundering provisions began to kick in, and now we have the Global Forum and the EU Council of Ministers looking at how we deal with finances and transactions and wire transfers and cash transactions and so on. So there have been arrangements in the banks for years with respect to transactions. Prior to Monday, a large transaction was $90,000 or more. It is now $50,000 or more. For casinos, they had a special regime. Prior to Monday, a large transaction in a casino was $18,000 or more. It's now $10,000 or more. What the commercial banks have chosen to do with the non-objection of the central bank is for persons who have no bank account whatsoever. They have no banking record. They've never banked. They're called the unbanked. They have limited the change of the note from the old note to the current note to the new polymer to a maximum of $10,000 per transaction.